open again. No. I didn't. That's my bad. Let's just open it. No, close it.
Just open it. Open.
Open.
Hit the neck.
I'm just gonna take her easy.
Oh, I was gonna say hit it wide. That's like hit it wide now.
Whoa! Whoa! That was unexpected.
Like after having no windshield and then now putting a windshield, having it open is so nice.
Yeah, literally last night I was like having a little bit of regret wishing I bought the glass, but this is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm scared to wipe this.
Yeah, me too.
The rear one's already scratched. I wiped it once. But that one, this one has like a poly coating on it to make it harder apparently.
If it's flat enough, unblock. You're not gonna get up. What you do is when he's about to go to pass us, he punches in the puddle, so it gives him a win. So you just need to go in.
Okay, let's close. Close.
You gotta wait till he's like next to you.
Yeah, you gotta wait till
You guys, there's no water right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like nothing crazy in the back.
He's on your left.
No, he's back now. He's back.
Oh, he's going over this one.
Oh, look how big you are.
I'll cost you a store today.
Wait, you want to taste mud now?